Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel Healthlink, where we're all about embracing a healthier, happier you. It's about nourishing your body and enjoying the journey. We will delve deeply into the topic of eye health today, since it is essential to our overall health. Since our eyes are windows to the outside world, they need to be taken care of. Now let us examine strategies for better eye care, better vision for a better you. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a youthful glow. Let's get started. Eat to keep your vision healthy. First up, let's talk about nutrition. Consuming a diet high in vitamins and minerals benefits your body as well as your eyes. Veggies like sweet potatoes, carrots, and leafy greens. Packed with beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A, vibrant citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are excellent sources of vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant helps combat oxidative stress in the eyes. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining the health of your retina. Not only are fatty fish such as trout, salmon, and mackerel delicious, but they are also great for keeping your eyes healthy. Nuts and seeds are eye fuel packed with nutrients, rich in zinc, vitamin E, and omega-3. Fatty acids, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds like a nutrient-rich feast for your eyes. Next up for us is exercises for sharpening and focusing the eyes. Just warm your palms by rubbing them together and cup them lightly over your closed eyes for relaxation. With your eyes closed, enjoy the calming warmth of the night. Eye rolling technique. Roll your eyes gently in a clockwise and counterclockwise direction. Focus both near and far. Pay attention to something nearby, then move your attention to something farther away. Figure 8. Visualize a massive figure 8 in front of you. Then track it with your eyes. Hydration for happy eyes. Drinking enough water is essential for both your body and your eyes. Getting adequate water into your system helps avoid dry eyes and maintains the general health of your eyes. If you want to ensure that your eyes stay refreshed all day, sip that water. Blinking for moisture. We often forget the simple yet vital act of blinking, which contributes to the preservation of our eyes' natural moisture equilibrium. Blink steadily and deliberately for a few moments, especially after extended screen time. This can help avoid dry eyes. Our next strategy is digital detox for eye relief. We cannot take our eyes off screens in this digital age. Give them a break. Take short breaks from your electronics. Engage in screen-free activities such as reading a book, taking a nature walk, or just unwinding with a cup of tea while avoiding using your phone. When using electronic devices, use blue light filters. Many computers and smartphones have built-in settings that can be used to reduce blue light emission, especially at night. Wear sunglasses for UV protection to protect your pearly whites. Not only do they look great, but they are your eye's best friend when you are outside. Above all, remember the 20-20-20 rule, which is the most crucial. It recommends that you take a 20-second break every 20 minutes and focus on something 20 feet away. Your eyes will be grateful. In order to preserve good vision, do not forget to schedule regular eye exams and get adequate sleep and quit smoking for clear vision. Last but not least, engaging in regular physical activity is excellent for your eyes as well as your body. Exercise improves blood flow, which nourishes and maintains the eyes in optimal condition. So, lace up those sneakers and get moving. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more tips on living your best youthful life. Until next time, stay fruity and fabulous. Bye.